Hi viewers, this is Smart Academy. We are giving CSR online classes. Now I am discussing which problems came in 2011 CSR net exam for the December. So we have the question 49th question here. A planet of mass small m moves in the inverse square central force field of the sun of mass capital M. So this is the this is sun of this is the sun, this is the planet. So a planet of mass m in the square inverse square central force field. So the planet is moving, revolving around the sun under the central force field. So the mass of the sun is capital M, the mass of the planet is small m. If the semi-major and semi-minor axis of the orbit A and B, this is a elliptical orbit, so this is semi-major axis, this is semi-minor axis respective. The total energy of the planet, so total energy of the planet we have to find. So this is a description, this is the path of the planet around the sun. So this is here the speed of the planet is u1, here this is the place speed of the planet is u2, because this is a semi major axis position, and the position this is semi major minor axis. So u1 u2. So mass of the planet is m, we are moving for solution. So mass of the sun is capital M. With the semi major axis, total energy, so here it's total energy, kinetic energy plus potential energy, that is equal to Ke plus Pe. So total energy equal to half m1 u1 square, half m u1 square, mass of the planet, minus gmm by a, this is potential energy. So here the semi major axis. At the semi minor axis, total energy, kinetic energy minus kinetic energy plus potential energy, minus g mm by b. Here minus negative goes to potential energy only, so half m u2 square minus g mm by b. So we have two equations here. Actually what we have to find here, total energy of the planet. So at the two places we have the here total energy we got, now here we have got total energy. Okay, but according to conservation of energy, energy of semi major axis equal to energy of at semi minor axis. So the total energy will be here and here should be the same, should be same energy the planet has to move. So at this total energy equal to at this point total energy equal, that is conservation of energy. So Te1 equal to Te2, half m u1 square minus gmm by a, half m u2 square minus gmm by b, but according to law of angular momentum at 2 points. So here in elliptical path we are applying two theorems here. First, law of conservation of energy, law of angular moment at 2 points, that is equal to angular moment equal to m u1a, m u2b, m1u, this is momentum, this is radius vector, mu2b, mu1a, mu2b. So mm gets cancelled, u2 equal to u1 of a by b, u1 of a by b, u2 equal to u1 of a by b. So that means this at this point the speed is equal to u1 of u1 into a by b. So we applied conservation of energy and law of conservation, law of angular momentum. So from third equation these two are equal. So this is at point 1, at point 2. So here instead of u2 already we got u1 of a by b, we substituted there, half m u1 square minus gmm by a, half m u1 square a square by b square minus gmm by b, half m u1 square of minus a square by b square equal to minus gmm by b, it goes to plus gmm by a, half m u1 square gmm of 1 by a minus 1 by b by 1 minus a square by b square. So this is kinetic energy at first point. So kinetic energy at minor axis, kinetic energy at major axis, that is equal to GMM, this one equal to GMM b minus AB into b square by b square minus a square. So finally K equal to GMM b by A 1 by b plus A. So kinetic energy we already total energy to kinetic energy major axis minus GMM by A. So just we have to substitute kinetic energy in the this one. This is the kinetic energy we got now, GMM by b by A b plus A. Just substitute here. G of m v1 square minus GMM by A. So just substitute, we will get total energy equal to minus GMM by A plus B. So what we did in this equation, this is a little bit lengthy. So actually we applied law of conservation energy, law of angular momentum. We equated angular momentum, we equated kinetic energy. First we found out kinetic energy, then substituted to same major axis. So finally we got minus GMM by A plus B. This is total energy of the planet. So we used law of conservation of energy. First one, second law of angular momentum. Finally we calculated KE and substitute at semi major axis energy. So these are the steps we follow here. Minus GMM by A plus B. This is the option. We choose the option here. So this is first option is right for this one.